What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We are cooking noodles. This is a new noodle that I find. I think more like Thai, but they said this is chow chow. I'm going to use beef today, flank steak. This looks like a very nice cut.
Yeah.
This won't take long to cook. And I'm putting bean sprout in it. Julienne, a little bit of ginger. I'm going to marinate the beef with it. A little bit of cornstarch. I'm putting a fancy soy sauce. And a drop of oil. I'm going to cook the noodle. Oil.
Why need oil in the water?
I don't know. I think make it like a little shiny. You can salt your water. Not this much, Joyce. See, it's very little. This is a new noodle that I find. See, this is sort of done already.
How can you tell?
It's softened. I think this is from the refrigerator. It's not dry. Put the bean sprout in it. A lot of people just eat this raw. I don't like it raw. I'm going to put this sauce in here. The chili paste. You'll love that. Then when it dissolves, I put the beef in it. And that's done.
Oh, wow, that was easy, Joyce.
I told you that. Make sure that it's not like a lump somewhere. Because the beef doesn't take long to cook. You know that, right? You'll see. This might be too much beef. Colvin said it's okay. Whatever. I cut it already. It's more beef than noodle.
That's okay, Joyce.
I know that. See, when the beef change color, that's done. Turn this off. It's done. Because the plate is too hot. I need to remember that. And here's the cilantro. You can play it. Smells good, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Picture time.